All right, I think we are recording. So this is going to be a short video on how to how to make a challenge cache. So a couple of things. The first thing you need to do is you need to find what challenge cache you want, and I'm going to put a new one out, and it's going to be the 9 icon in double digits traveler challenge. Right. So that's the cache that I'm going to put out. So the second thing that you need to do is you need to start your new cache, and this is what I've done. So I got the 9 icon double digits traveler challenge, and I talk about it, and I've already run myself in the checker, so I know that I qualify for this. So you have to find the challenge here is you got to find 10 caches, double digits, 10 or more in each of these areas, and we just finished it by doing the CETO that you came to recently. So that's the first thing you need to do to start it out. The next thing is, because you have to have a GC number. So I'm going to click on this and double click, and I am going to copy this number. Then what I did is I went to the checker, this Arizona one that is in Arizona that I qualify for, and I'm going to say right here, I'm going to say clone the tag. And when you clone it, you just put your new GC number in it for the one that you just created, and you click on this, and it says clone. There you can see your tag has been cloned, right? And I'm going to close that out now, and I'm going to click down here where it says link, right? This is the critical piece. So here's the link. So you can have three types. You can just show this, example 1 or example 2, but I like example 3 because it shows how many people have tried it out. So now what you do is you copy this. So I'm going to go copy, and I'm going to go back to the cache page of my new cache. All right, so here's the new cache, and here's where it gets just a little bit tricky. So I'm going to hit edit cache, and we're going to scroll down here to the right up. Now you can't paste it if you have. Let's see, where am I going to put this? I think I'm going to put it right here. So I'm going to put it in here, and I will center it, right? I'm going to put it in the center. But the problem is you can't paste it in this format because this is, I guess it's the easy format to read. So you have to click on source. And the source looks like this. So this is your source code. This is, back in the day, this is all we ever used. We didn't have the easy one, right? But the checker is in source code. So this is where it needs to go. So I'm going to put it in, click here, and tab down a couple, and then I'm going to paste it. So now I've pasted it in there. That's good. It's in the right code. And I'm going to hit save and preview. And now you will see that the checker is there. Now from here, okay, this makes it kind of don't have the right spacing. So from here now I can go back up. Once I have it in there, I can hit edit cache, and then I can come back down here and I can click on source, and then it will convert it to the more user-friendly version, and click here, and you will see that now we can see what we're doing. So if I put the cursor here, I'm going to recenter it, and if I put the cursor here and tab down one, I'm going to make the spacing better. So now that the spacing is perfect, we'll go down here, and I'm going to hit save and preview again just to take a look at it, and there you go. That's it. That's all you have to do to put this challenge checker in a geocache, and they're ready to go. And I went out, and I'm going to put this one out where I have the our other geocaches similar to this. Let's see, search this area. You'll see. Let's go out just a little bit. Search this area, and there we go. Boy, we have a lot of smileys, don't we? Okay, so this one I think you've done. This is the 92-day where go virtual. That's Bad Dogs cache. This is the 275, 75 mystery cache. That's Bad Dogs cache, and this is our 183 days mystery, and I think this is the 92 days mystery, and then I think we have an Earth cache up there. So that's where it's going to go. So now you have it. You know exactly everything that I know on how to put a challenge cache.